What's going on out here? Are you mad your snow's melting? Yeah? Well, I'm sorry it's melting, baby. Yeah. Well, maybe you'll get more. You might get more. I know. Well, it talks about their nature. I cannot control that she's having a hot flash. I know. Yeah. I know she's having a hot flash. I can't control that. But we're going to be back into the teens in like 2 days. Yeah. 2 days, you'll be cold again. Okay, you'll be comfortable. Mama will be cold. Yeah, 2 days. Can you survive 2 days? I'm sorry. I love you. I do love you. Okay.